NSP Official channel. So on today's video, I want to show you guys how to earn free TRS straight to your ForsaPay wallet. Okay, you already know that TRS is one of the major cryptocurrency coin which you can use for other transaction fees, or you can exchange it to Bybit if you want to use it for forex trading or any other financial aspect. So you have to join our Telegram group to get this link straight to participate on this airdrop. Okay, so let's get started, and don't forget that the NSP niche is actually a cryptocurrency and other forex aspects channel which you can learn how to trade forex using trading bots and how to mine airdrop. Okay, so don't forget to join our channel and subscribe, hit the notification button for you anytime we drop a video. Okay, so let's get started, guys. To participate on this particular airdrop, you're going to be having a ForsaPay account, and to get a ForsaPay account is very simple. I'm going to be sharing a ForsaPay link, forsapay.io, so that you'll be able to create an account and use the account to withdraw your TRS. Okay, so once you go to your ForsaPay, once you open your ForsaPay, you're going to be using the email which you use in registering your ForsaPay to withdraw your TRS. Okay, so to register is very simple. You can actually register by click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you enter your username, the next option your email and your password, and it's done. Okay, so once you have registered, you have to log in to make sure that your ForsaPay email is correct. Okay, then you enter your email, then you enter your password. Okay, so once you enter your password, you're gonna check I'm not a robot, and once the verification is done, you can be able to access your dashboard. Okay, so now we have our dashboard right here. We're able to log into our account, so that means we have a ForsaPay email. Okay, so guys, the last step we're going to be taking is to join all the channel and be able to withdraw our TRS. Okay, so now you're going to click on start. This bot, the link to this bot will be shared on this video description. So now you click on start, you're going to be joining their WhatsApp channel. Okay, click on channel, you join the WhatsApp channel, then you go back to the account and click on YouTube. I've already subscribed to our YouTube channel, which is this. Okay, once you're done with that, you click on Telegram. It's going to take you to the Telegram, and you go back to the bot and click Twitter. Okay, it take a few seconds, and here we're in the Twitter account. Then we'll go back to the bot and click join all group. Okay, so once you're done doing this, it's going to say thank you for joining the group, you have earned 0.04 TRX. Okay, so how am I going to get more TRX? Which this 0.04 TRX, I can easily withdraw it, or if I want to earn more of the TRX, I'll click on menu or click claim today's bonus. So it's going to take 0.001 TRX. Once I check my balance, I've earned 0.007 TRX. Okay, because I've claimed yesterday's bonus too, plus today's bonus. Okay, so how do I earn more? I can earn more by clicking on my refers. Okay, my refer, you can see I have 0 referrals. Okay, how do I earn more? I can go back here and click on start and end. So here you can see my referral link right here. So what I'm going to do here is to copy my referral link. This is my referral link. So what I'm going to do is copy. So once I copy, what I'm going to do is to go to where I have maybe members on my phone. So I can go to maybe we'll go to my Telegram, and I can share the link. Okay, but majorly where I want to share my link is on Facebook, so that people can easily join. Okay, And if you're not on Facebook, you can still share your link on Twitter, okay, which is X. So you have to share your link in order to get more followers, okay. I can go to my Twitter, I'll click on post right here. So here I'll click join and end, okay, something like this. Then I'll share my link right here. So I can delete this if not needed, okay. So all you have to do is to have your referral link on your social account so that you can earn more, okay. So that's all I have to do, and I click post. So once I'm doing that, I'll go back to my account. Maybe after like 30 minutes, I'll be able to have more referrals. If I click on my refer, you can see I still have zero referrals. But let me go back to my balance. So here you click on balance. So here I can click on join all. You can see I've already been verified on this. So what I'm going to do is to withdraw my TRX, okay? I'll click on withdraw TRX right here. So now it's going to ask me for my email. So what I'm going to do is pay attention on this particular stage. You're going to be writing this slash set email, okay? Then you're going to type your email which contains your FOSA pay. So you wait for a while. So withdrawal of 0.00 TRX have been sent to my email, okay? So now let me go back to my FOSA pay. Go back to my Google and I'll go to my FOSA pay. So guys, you just go back to the dashboard right here, click here and go to dashboard, okay? Then you click refresh. You can scroll down your screen to refresh. So you can see I've received my payout, which is today's payout, okay. And if you scroll down to wallet, you'll be able to see that the amount have been received. So you can share, and if you have a channel which is over 10,000 subscribers, you can make a lot of money through this process, okay. So thank you for watching, and I have a lovely day, guys.